Meaning of Freephone.
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 Freephone. Freephone is a term used to describe a telephone service that allows callers to make free calls to the recipient of the call. The cost of the call is instead borne by the recipient of the call, typically a business or organization, rather than the caller. Freephone services can be useful for businesses looking to provide customer support or sales services without incurring costs for the caller. However, there may still be charges associated with calling free phone numbers from mobile phones, depending on the mobile network provider.